the retreat open.
Declaring the 2-day retreat of the Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital, Okada, open, Chancellor, Igbinedion University, Okada, and Esama of Benin, SOAR Chief Dr. Gabriel, Osawaru Igbinedion, admonished the board to use their expertise to achieve the vision of the hospital to be the best private tertiary health institution in the country by delivering qualitative healthcare services to patients. The Esama of Benin appreciated a member of the board, Professor Friday Okonofwa, for hosting the retreat at the Center of Excellence in Reproductive Health Innovation University of Benin.
Continuity only brings success in life. My dear, if the world did not appreciate you, I appreciate you.
In a speech, the Deputy Chancellor, Igbinedion University Okada, and a two-time Governor of Edo State, Chief Lucky Nosahai Igbinedion, said the retreat was appropriate, especially as it relates to quality healthcare delivery.
The retreat is about repositioning, retrofitting Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital Okada, especially with the current global pandemic taking place. It is now very obvious that we have to start looking inward. Before, people used to go on medical tourism outside of the country, so we felt the time is now apt for us to look inward and set a standard in support of the state government and the federal government in encouraging our people to stay back in Nigeria to get attention in any medical area.
The board chairman, Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital Okada, Professor Abiodun Ilesomi, while appreciating the Esama of Benin, and the Chancellor, Igbinedion University Okada, SOAR Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawaru Igbinedion, for his uncommon leadership, noted that the retreat affords the board management and staff the opportunity to reevaluate their performance, strategize, focus on the areas of strength, weaknesses, and evolve strategies that will take Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital to higher heights. In his remarks, the Chief Medical Director, Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital, Professor Bazwaye Nosahai, gave an overview of the projects completed, including the Center for Genetic and Stem Cell Center Research, renovation of wards, current projects including Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital, Benin Diagnostic Center, future plans, financial reports, amongst others.
You remember that the teaching hospital is the first ever private tertiary teaching hospital in Nigeria, and we need to keep on reevaluating and repositioning ourselves.
So the radiotherapy center is going to be a center that will serve the entire South patients in Nigeria. And then once we establish that, we are certain that the number of patients, if you go to a place like UCH, where they have a therapy center, and Abuja, people have to queue for 6 months before they get to the spot of the getting radiotherapy. So we feel that this will be another source for us to bring services to the people of Nigeria.
The guest lecturer and former registrar, Ekiti State University, Dr. Mojola Awusunshi, dwelt on the topic operational frameworks for managing tertiary health institutions for impact. Other participants, including members of the board, also suggested ways the institution can move forward in terms of healthcare delivery.
To consider management know-how can help the authorities of IUTH to overcome these common challenges and go beyond that to achieve its goal of making impact. The experts agree that these are the major frameworks of a health system.
If possible, invite them to see the kind of training that they're giving to their men, and encourage them to maintain these men along Okada, Benin axis for some time, so that we don't train them and then lose them.
So I'm happy to see you. I want to thank you for what you've been, not only to the Igbinedion family, the way you held that family, but what you've been to every state. The legacies you are building for the state.
The retreat also afforded staff of IUTH the opportunity to interact with the board. The theme for the 2-day 2020 retreat is Retrofitting and Repositioning Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital as a Center of Excellence in Medical Tourism in Nigeria. Adesuwa Lato reporting.